These are the best Shindo Life codes that you will ever need. The first one is called Dragon Scammer. Simply type that in, Dragon Scammer, with capitalized D and S, and then an exclamation mark at the end. There you go. We got a bloodline bag, which is really amazing because this allows us to carry another bloodline. So, the next one we have, I'm just going to show you a list of them because there are a lot of codes which will give you a lot of spins, money, and way more. So here is the list. As you can see, we already tried Dragon Scammer and it did give us a bloodline bag. Now, the next one is RELL Best Brothers, which gives us 500 spins and 1000 RELL coins, which is already crazy because as you can see, there are so many codes. So just imagine all of those gives you 500 spins and 10,000 RELL coins. That is already a lot, which is enough to give you the rarest possible ability ever. So I'm just going to read these to you, or you can pause the video if you would like to in order to type in the codes. So next we have Merry 2024 Christmas, 2025 Relmas, Happy Holidays from Rel, Rel Bad Birthday, So Bad 2025, Animating Like I'm Skitty, Rel Sees Real Sees, M Mentality, Rel Sees Big Ups, Relax Family, Rel Sees Sparrow, 2024 Nov Codes, Big Man Things Testing, Gem 239, Grunt Life Codes, November VM, Planned Concepts, Cool Concepts Bro, Shindo Grunt Codes, Grunt Life Ninden, Rel Ninden Seas, Aiden Grunt 2028, Fam 2028 Aiden with double N's, as well as the last one by the way, and Aiden Fam 2028 with just one N, Sick Concepts Bro, 2M Likes Coded, Fix G4 Me 239, No More Messing Only Grinding, Rel Gems, The Grind is Rel 2024, Too Much Peak Brother, Peak Seas, I Am Animationer, No Slacking Nodpoo, Codes for Shindonians, Shindonians Boys, My Ninden Way, Rel C Sparrowed, Wow So Skibbity, Time Flies Huh Almost 5 Years, Fix Him Game 238, and 2024 OG codes. So, make sure that you type all of these in the correct order with the correct punctuations and of course the capitalizations. So you can't type in a code if you don't have the exclamation mark at the end or if you don't have a specific letter capitalized. It has to be the exact one in order for you to redeem them. So yeah, that's pretty much it. These are all the working codes right now. Make sure you use them because they are amazing in the game.